Alright, what we're going to show you today is the homemade garage door. 80 bucks, this is what it'll get you. It's just made by tarp, some string, and some pulleys and a PVC pipe. This one string goes up there, goes to a pulley, comes over to another pulley, goes down over by the man door. I'll shut this man door. Right here's the string. I'll show you how it works. Sorry for the video, but it's on a phone. Just rolls right up. You got them right up there. That's just with one hand. That's real easy. And when you want to let it back down, it rolls. So what we'll try to do is get it. See that over there? There's my truck. Start to see the truck, see? And just roll it back down. Pretty ingenious idea.